Welcome back to episode 22 of the Clean Sweep. This week we've got a contract walk around for you guys demonstrating some of our office cleaning services. Let's get going around the building. Office cleaning, #1 service that JCD provide to customers all over the UK, making sure offices are kept nice and tidy on a daily basis. When we're pricing contracts like this, we take into consideration a number of variables. Do you have centralised bins or under desk bins? Do you like to see your phones and keyboards cleaned on a weekly basis? All important stuff like this we take into consideration when giving you guys a quote. The #1 thing we look for with an office cleaning contract is making sure that the staff we have on your office cleaning contract are supported. If staff are left to their own devices, they develop what we call tunnel vision in our industry, where they only focus on your desk, floors, and they don't look up, right, left or down. Areas like cobwebs and low level can get missed if that contract management isn't there, so you make sure that's in place on a minimum monthly basis so you know your office cleaning is being taken care of. So JCD Cleaning do not sell cleaning services. What we are providing you with for our office cleaning services is a healthy working environment. We are in the sector of delivering health. So Chris, what do you mean when you say that? Well, if your environment is kept with a good cleaning regime, your environment is a healthy environment. This is healthy for your employees, so it reduces his absence through sickness, making sure you're getting the most out of your employees. It gives you curb appeal for visitors that are potentially coming to do business with you, and overall it keeps everyone that's interacting with your facilities safe, healthy and productive at all times. So we looked after your office space and now we move into the kitchen space. This is where your employees and visitors gather to socialise, make a coffee and whatever else they may do in this area. Things we take into consideration: do you like your microwaves cleaned on a weekly basis? Would you like the cleaner to load and unload the dishwasher? Do you like them to clean the fridge and chuck out perishable items on a weekly basis? We take all these things into consideration when putting together your office cleaning contract. Another vital area in every office block will be your washrooms. This is where your employees and visitors will come to do their other business, not the day-to-day business. So these areas need to be kept on top of and make sure they're a high standard all the time. JCD can also provide ad hoc cleaning services such as feminine hygiene, air fresheners and hand dryers. Last and by certainly no means least is your reception and general areas. The reception area is one of the focal points of many commercial buildings, so it needs to be kept in top condition on a daily basis with tasks such as damp wiping, vacuuming and mopping of floors. We can also support your building's curb appeal by carrying out additional services such as window cleaning, pressure washing, which will only help bolster the curb appeal of your building when visitors are coming to visit you. So not only do you have access to some of the best commercial cleaning services in the south of the UK, should you have an environment where you've got a mix of industrial and commercial space like this one we're in today, you have our specialist services team at your disposal to 24/7, 365 to carry out things like high level cleans and deep cleans of your flooring and warehouse space. So that concludes this week's episode and our contract walk round. As always, we appreciate you guys checking in and keeping up to date with our content. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for us. And if you're looking for a commercial cleaning provider across the south of the UK, you guys know who to call. See you guys next week.